Hello students, a warm welcome to everyone. Let's start with the new session of arithmetic progression. We are going to solve all the problems of the NCERT, so don't worry. Our first question is displayed on the screen. What is that? We have the first term and we have the third term. We need to find out the missing term. That is, we need to find the A2 or the value of A2. What is that? We have the first term as 2, second term is missing, and we have the third term as 26. One more thing is given to you. This particular sequence is in an AP. What does it mean? It means that we have a common difference. As well as, with the help of this common difference, we are going to calculate the value of A2. So what we will do, we will make the use of the equation of the general term or the nth term. So how to make the use of the general term or the nth term? Let's see. The equation of the general term is given as follows. The general term, or you can mention it as nth term, is given as an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is the equation for the general term. Please make a note of this, everyone. Students, this is very important, nth term, and we will make the use of this and we will proceed with our calculation. How to do it? First, we will substitute the value of n as 1, then n as 2, then n as 3, and we will find out the equations of a1, a2, a3, a4, etc. Okay, how to use it? When n is equal to 1, substitute the value of n is equal to 1 in the general term or the nth term, then we will get a1 is equal to a plus the value of n is 1 minus 1 into d. Just solve it. A1 is equal to a plus 1 minus 1 is how much? 0 into d. So 0 into d is always 0. So what we get? A1 is equal to a. Now the first term is known to you. How much it is? 2. That is nothing but the value of a. So we can mention it as equal to 2. So this is given to you. The value of a1 or the first term or the value of a is given to you as 2. As well as in the same general term or the nth term, we will substitute the value of n as 2. So when n is equal to 2, now substitute the value of n is equal to 2 in the general term, then we get a2 is equal to a plus the value of n is how much? 2. 2 minus 1 into d. Now solve it. A2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 into d. So what is the equation now? A2 is equal to a plus d. We got the equation for the second term a2. In the same way, when we substitute the value of n as 3, what we will get? We will get the equation for a3. a3 is how much now? Is equal to a plus 2d. As well as we will get a4 as a plus 3d. We are not going to make the use of this particular equation, which is nothing but the fourth term. So what we will do, we have a given data which is nothing but the value of a1 is equal to a is given as 2, as well as the value of a3 is also given to you. How much it is? 26. And we need to find out a2. This is the missing term. So what we will do, first we will find out the common difference. We will make the use of the third term equation and we will calculate the value of d. How? We have a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Do we have the value of a3? Yes. How much it is? 26. Substitute. 26 is equal to, do we have the value of a? Yes. How much it is? 2. So 2 plus 2d. Now transpose 2 to the left hand side. Then we get 26 minus 2 is equal to 2 into d. 26 minus 2 is how much? 24 is equal to 2 into d. Now rearrange it. What we get? 2 into D is equal to 24. Now here multiplication is there. Transpose 2 to the right hand side. Then we get D is equal to 24 upon 2. How much it is now? D is equal to 12. We got the value of the difference as 12. Now what you do? You need to find out the missing term, which is nothing but the value of A2. Now make the use of the second term equation. What is that? A2 is equal to A plus D. Do you have the value of D? Yes. Do we have the value of A? Yes. How much it is? 2. So let's substitute the values. A2 is equal to, we have the value of A as 2. So 2 plus D is how much? We have calculated. It is nothing but 12. So A2 is equal to 2 plus 12 is how much? 14. So we got the second term as 14. So this is the solution of the given sequence. Then we can mention it as 2 comma 14, which is the second term, which is nothing but a missing term, and the last term is given as 26. So this is your final solution of the given sequence, which is nothing but the value of a missing term A2 is equal to 14. Now students, first and most important thing, when you have calculated the solution, try to cross check whether the answer is right or wrong, because they have mentioned that the given sequence is in an AP. So whenever the given sequence is in an AP, you should know that we have a common difference. So suppose if we calculate D, what is the equation for D? A2 minus A1. How much is A2 here? 14 minus A1 is how much? 2. So value of D is how much? 12. Okay. Now once again, D is equal to A3 minus A2. So D is equal to A3 is how much? 26 minus A2 is how much? 14. So what is your final answer? D is equal to 12. In both the cases, we got the difference which is common. So we got a common difference. Hence, the solution is absolutely correct. So the missing term, which is nothing but the second term, is having the value as 14. So this is your solution. Thank you, students.